Hello friends, today we will discuss about our new stand which is on the panel. Previously we were using channels to hang the bins. Now we have developed one panel to hang the bins from crate number 5 to crate number 45. This panel is of 457 mm width and it is approximately 600 mm height. 600 means 2 feet by 1.5 feet. On this stand we have placed two panels. As you can see, this is the first panel. Below we have placed second panel, and on which we have hang bin number 35, bin number 45. Red color is bin 45. You can easily place or hang the bins. This stand can hold around 500 kg of the material. This stand can be used single side and double side. You can see we have placed all the bins on this stand. 4 number, the black one is bin 5, the blue one 3 pieces bin 15. Then we have placed 6 numbers of bin 25, 4 numbers bin 35, and 2 numbers finally is of bin 45 red color. The total height of this stand is around 5 feet. As you know that we can hang these bins, we can stack the bins also very easily. This same stand can be used for double side also. Just we have to place on the back side of this stand the panel, and you can use easily. Close up, you can see that we have hanged like this.